Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my Nerf guns and birthday gifts. So this is the Nerf Recon, super good gun. You can take the magazine out, this out, and this out. There's one more thing here, probably one more thing in here. Then turning around, you will see the Nerf Flip Fury, 2 barrels, great job. The Nerf Mega Bulldog, kind of self-explanatory, Mega, bigger. Nerf Ultra, I don't know the name, but let's just call it the 3 Ultra. So the 3 Ultra is super good as well. It has huge bullets that go super fast. It has the whistling arrows. I got them. This has Lego characters, including one of them is me and R2-D2, or else if you check the other ones, all of them are Marvel. Look, Marvel, there's only one Star Wars, and then me. This was before I had all of these ones. So this is a full little chessboard. I don't want to open it up because it takes both of my hands. Then my Zurek shots, really nice. I have 2 more, but I don't know where they are, and I'm not going to find them. And another one, my webcam. We'll make a video someday for this for you. And a scope for another one, my smartwatch, my Kindle, Kindle, that's a Kindle, you read ebooks. Then moving on to here, you have this, which is like a race car. This is the remote, right? This is Captain America's shield. Turns into the whole shield. Press this button to turn it out, you pull it. Yeah, then moving on to here, you have black Pokemon cards, no reading aloud, 2 lightsabers, Count Dooku's actually. That you can put them like this, and you can also, mix them together. Like this and this, they fit. Then you have the Eagle Boy Nerf gun. You remember that extra scope? It's actually for the Eagle Boy. Then you have the Bonanza bag, match tags. It's like this. Oh, it makes a mess. It makes a mess, but they smell great. Seriously. And that's all.